Now, when it comes on to skin tags tend to have a mind of their own. They tend to appear on your skin just wherever they feel like appearing, and sometimes they appear in places that we are not totally comfortable with. They appear where it's so obvious. They appear on our eyelid, they appear on our neck, our shoulder, they appear under our eyes, on our face, on our hands, our back, all over the skin. Now, there are many ways of getting rid of the skin tags. You can get them professionally removed, or you can even tie a string on it to get rid of it. Just tie that string on the root and really tight. Or you can take a scissors, you can snip it off. Or if you're like me who want to try none of those methods, you can use a skin tag remover cream. So they are natural ingredients that you can whip up in your kitchen and apply it to your skin tags and get it off in a couple of weeks or so. So what I'm going to do for you today, I am going to share one of my natural homemade remedy that can help to remove skin tags. This, I'm using 3 main ingredients, and these 3 ingredients are known to get rid of the skin tag standalone. So therefore, mixing these 3 powerful ingredients together is creating a very strong remedy for faster result. So if you're looking to get rid of your skin tags and you want to try a home remedy, then this is one that you probably need to try. So follow me to my kitchen. I'm going to share a full detailed recipe really quick. It's going to take about 2 to 3 minutes for the recipe, and then I'm going to share some tips at the end of how you can use it to get rid of the skin tag fast and effectively. So let's go whip this up really quick. To get rid of skin tag, our first ingredient is aloe vera gel. And aloe vera is hydrating and smoothing to the skin. We're going to use a tablespoon of the aloe vera gel. Add this to our bowl. And what we're going to start by doing is just fluff that aloe vera gel up. Amazing for skin tags. My next ingredient is tea tree oil. And tea tree oil have antibacterial and antimicrobial property. Tea tree oil will have to clear that skin tag, dry that skin tag up. And this combination of ingredient that I'm using is a powerful ingredient for your skin tag. We're using about a half a teaspoon of the tea tree oil. Pour that in our aloe vera mixture. And we're going to blend the aloe vera gel and the tea tree oil together. This is a leave-on remedy that you can use on your skin tags at night, and this is going to help to clear them up. A little of this mixture goes a long way. So right now we're mixing aloe vera gel and tea tree oil together. Now once this is done, we're going to reach for my next ingredient, which is apple cider vinegar. Now these 3 ingredients are known to get rid of skin tag. When you mix them together, it's going to be even more powerful. Take that apple cider vinegar jar up before you pour. All you need is a half a teaspoon of the apple cider vinegar. Pour that in, and now we're going to blend the 3 ingredients together. We're blending aloe vera gel with tea tree oil and apple cider vinegar, and this is going to be very liquefied, and this is exactly how you want it to be. So mix and mix well, totally blend, and this is the consistency that you're going to get. This is a leave-on remedy for your skin tags. So once you completely blend this together, it is now ready to use on your skin tags. Now to use this on your skin tags, you're going to need some Q-tips or some cotton pads. And what you're going to do, you are going to place the Q-tip in your skin tag remedy. And at night, you are just going to apply it anywhere that you have your skin tags. Just apply it on your skin tag anywhere on your body. Just rub it on for about a minute or so over the area. Completely saturate that skin tag. And then you're going to let the remedy dry on the skin tag fan it if you have to, and then go to sleep with it and use this for 6 weeks straight on the skin tag, and this is gonna help to shrink and also dry up your skin tags. Now when it comes onto your face, if you have the skin tag on the face, it also is good to use on the face. Please avoid your eyes, and for your face, do not use this all over your face, but dip your Q-tip in and spot treat the area where you have your skin tag. Now if you have hanging tag, those that are hanging off, just dip it in, and right around the bottom of the skin tag, you just keep rubbing it on the root of the skin tag, round and round and round, and then you let it dry. Now no need to store this in the refrigerator, store it on the countertop. The longer you have it is the stronger it's gonna get. You can also choose to add garlic to this if you want to really make it strong, but this 3 ingredient alone is good enough to get rid of your skin tag in just about 3 weeks. Go ahead, use it up, and after a couple of weeks, come back and leave your comment.